Hello everybody, this is Paul again and welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we've got another beautiful Suzuki Jimny. This particular Jimny is a manual. That's what's a bit different about it, and manuals are only 1 in 75 automatics. 75 autos, 1 manual. So if you're trying to find a particular colour in a manual, you know, that's a lottery. It really is. It's a bit like a lottery. So this vehicle is a 2025 March registered Suzuki Jimny JC Sierra 1.5, 2 and 4 wheel drive, high and low ratio gearbox, and it's only done 8 miles from the factory gate. It comes with LED headlights and headlight washers, front fog lights, powered heated folding door mirrors with built-in indicators. It's got privacy glass, 15-inch alloy wheels, factory alloys, front and side airbags, ABS, brake assist, cruise control, traction control, lanes protection, hill descent, and it's got a leather-bound steering wheel, heated front seats, and 2 proximity remote keys, and the vehicle's also got push button start. In fact, they're very high spec. Also, you'll see this vehicle's got the floor mats in the vehicle. They don't come from the factory with floor mats. It's also been fitted with door visors over the doors, and it's also got a hard spare wheel cover with the chrome surround and a lock underneath it, so you don't lose your keys. And so there it is, you can see, and you can also see the button on the door for the proximity keys. You can open and close the doors by just pushing the buttons. So I provide an opportunity for customers to be able to buy these cars direct from the Japanese domestic market for personal import into the UK. You can buy these cars at exactly the same price that I pay. I charge a fixed commission over the cost of the car, and the prices that I quote are the total cost of the car on the road, including the shipping charges, the duty, the VAT, my commission. What is not included in the prices I quote is UK road tax, which is currently £220, and also inland delivery from Southampton to wherever you're located. You can go and collect the car yourself if you wish, but I can't possibly know in advance where my customers are going to be located. I've got customers on the Isles of Orkney, but halfway towards Norway. I've customers in Northern Ireland. I've customers on the Isles of Jersey and Guernsey, and everywhere you can think of in between all those. I've got customers, thousands of them. So there's plenty of people out there who can vouch for what I do. But if you want to know more, just get in contact with me. But I would write your questions down first, and then you can fire away, and I'll just answer all your questions that you may have, inquiries that you might have about the process. Because this is not your normal way of buying a car, walking into a garage with a price on the screen. You are the personal importer of the vehicle, and I'm acting as your agent, and I charge an agency commission. So there it all is. If you wish to know more, give me a call and fire away with your questions, and I'll do my best to answer them all. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.